A herbal medicinal plant endorsed by the Department of Health with proven therapeutic value. What a fantastic plant it is. The well-known Lagundi Vitex nigundo of the family Lamiaceae is a small evergreen tree from the Molavi family. Lagundi is also used as a live heads. Lagundi is one of the herbal medicinal plants endorsed by the Department of Health and has proven therapeutic value. All plant parts have medicinal uses for colds, flu, bronchial asthma, chronic bronchitis, and pharyngitis. Syrup, tablets, and capsules prepared from leaves and flowering tops are given for cough, colds, fever, and asthma. The aromatic leaves are useful as an astringent, febrifuge, sedative, tonic, and vermifuge. It can disperse joint swelling from acute rheumatism as well as swelling of the testes from suppressed gonorrhea. The juice of the leaves can be used to remove fetid discharges and worms from ulcers. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.